We welcome the decision of the Senate to retain the proposed 733 million as initially in the approved by the House version. Ito'y nagpapatunay, no, from the very start, nagpapatunay na tama yung basehan na naging committee report ng Committee on Appropriations. Pangalawa, as a sponsor, alam ko yung na-experience po ng Senate ngayon when they were asking for the documents. It really validates, no, it gives credence to the decision of the House of Committee on Appropriations.
It also vindicates the stance taken by the Honorable Sia being the sponsor of the budget of the Office of the Vice President. Kasi alam naman natin, medyo binabati ko siya na remiss siya sa pag-defend ng budget ng Office of the Vice President. Pero nakita natin dito, kahit maging sa Senado, patuloy pa rin na iniiwasan ng opisina ng tanggapan ng pangalawang Pangulo ang pag-defend ng kanilang budget sa tama at saktong pamamaraan.
Adoption of the Senate on the budget of the Office of the Vice President is just really a confirmation that we did in lower house is just a result of a work that is fair and there's nothing about politics here.